This is Project Starchild.
That looks different.
You can't hear light, can you? What was that?
That looks...
You can hear bugs, but they don't sound like that. What did I capture the night I had so many drones in the skies? Have you seen anything like this? Have you heard anything like that? Let me know what you think. This was real. I saw it with my own eyes. This is my original video. And I believe I've caught some sort of light being.
That looks...
This is Project Starchild. Like and subscribe and follow me on TikTok.